Now this illustration illustrates a wound rotor motor. And again, when we use table 430.52 to select an overcurrent device and a percentage times the full load current of the motor to allow a motor to start and run, we have to select the type of motor that we're dealing with. Now here we're selecting a wound rotor motor per table 430.52. And notice again in the illustration, you're supplying and figuring the size of the conductors to the motor. You're figuring the secondary conductors to the motor, 430.22a. But notice we did use 430.22 now to size the conductors from the controller to the motor. And then lastly, we're figuring the resistor bank controller conductors based upon a continuous duty or a duty type service in accordance with 430.23b as in boy. And that's exactly what this figure 18-19 from Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2, is illustrating.